guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to create a new title block in Autodesk Inventor. For this I'm using the PLTW format. We're going to first start by going to New, and we are going to select Standard Drawing. I currently have a title block in here, but we're going to use the standard drawing that comes with Inventor. Once we're in here, we're going to change the size of our sheet so that we can easily print on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So the way we do this is you're going to right click on sheet. You are going to go down to edit sheet. And then we are changing the size to A. All right, so now that we have the right size, we have the old title block in here. We want to make this something more personalized, something that we can use in the class. So I'm going to right click on ANSI large and I'm going to delete that. Okay, now I want to create my new title block. I'm going to open up where it says drawing resources. Go down, open up title block. You can see there are two default title blocks, but we're going to define a new title block. So define new title block. This will open up the sketch options. We are going to sketch our new title block in. All right, I'm going to start with a rectangle. Going down to the bottom left corner. I'm making sure I'm hitting my rectangle and zooming in because I do want to try to get as close to that bottom left corner as possible. Right, and then I'm going to make this 10.25 by 1 inch. So 10.25 inches is about the size of our default border. So I'm trying to go from one end to the other. We are going to make a rectangle going across the bottom of this, give us some space above. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide our rectangle into 4 different parts. So using 3 different lines, making sure they're spaced well enough so that I can evenly space them using the dimension tool. So here we go, there's the dimension tool. And we made them 2.56, some editing there, but 2.56 roughly across. All right, I divided this in half, so now I have 1/2 inch by 2.56 blocks, and we're going to start putting our text into them. So I'm going to go use the text tool. I'm zooming in. I am going to now make a text block, make a text block there. We're going to start with project name. I'm going to use the predetermined pre-insert formulas from Inventor. And I'm just going to use the property and I'm going to choose project. So there we go. There you can see it there. Properties and project. I'm going to use this little X, and what it does is now it puts the formula in. So anytime I put a name to this project, it will show up on my title block. So there we go. Project name, project. We're going to keep doing this. I'm going to fill in the rest of these, so enjoy the tunes, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. next part of this is we're going to add an image to personalize this. I'm going to go up. I'm going to select image right here under by the constraints. Now I'm going to make a square because the image that I downloaded was a square shape. It is our school logo. I'm going to go find my logo. It's a PNG or JPEG file. And here we have it. We have the logo. Last, I'm going to finish my sketch. When I finish my sketch, it's going to ask me to name it. I'll put my last name, and then I'm going to hit save. From there, you're going to lose your title block, but we could get it back. Just double click, so you can't select and drag it. You have to double click on it. All right, and then we are going to save as. We're going to save copy as a template, and I'm going to save this under Rio Rancho title block. But you're going to save it under your last name. This will go to everybody's computer so everybody can see your title block. And there we have it. We are all done. If I go to File, New, you're going to be able to see our new title block, Rio Rancho title block right there. And now you can use this for all your files. Thank you for watching.